I'm here with Ben Kamens of Khan Academy. Ben, tell us a little bit about Khan Academy for people of Czech Republic who don't know it.
Yeah, so Khan Academy's mission is to make a world-class education available to anybody for free. It's a big goal, but we're okay with that. Right now we have thousands of educational videos that are 10 minutes or less that cover anything from 1+1 simple addition through calculus and into other areas like biology and chemistry and stuff like that. And then recently we've built on top of that a whole suite of interactive math exercises that let students figure out if they've mastered specific concepts and get help with concepts that they need mastering. And even more recently than that, added a computer science section that lets students build their own computer science programs and see the output and watch other people code in a live way and stuff like that.
Tell us a little bit about the beginnings of Khan Academy.
So Sal started Khan Academy because he needed to teach his cousins math, and they were in New Orleans and he was at college, and he was always very good at math and he wanted to help out, and so he started recording these really short videos and he put them on YouTube because he figured why not, and the viewership started increasing. It wasn't just his family watching. And so more and more people started viewing the videos. It got really, really big. Eventually there were millions of people watching these videos. He kept making them. He's pretty prolific. He just keeps making videos because he loves learning and he loves teaching. And so from there, it just kind of blew up until the viewership was huge. Eventually, he heard a rumor that Bill Gates was using it to teach his kids. And so then Bill Gates became a supporter, Google became a supporter, and once some money came into the nonprofit, then the team grew from there, and that's when I joined.
And do you see it as a future of education, or what's your opinion?
Yeah, so I think it's certainly pushing some boundaries of the future of education. I would never say that a piece of software could ever really be the future of education. It's much more about the teachers and the students who are being enabled by the software. So I think Khan Academy is an extremely powerful tool to help students move at their own pace. And it's a really powerful tool to give teachers scale in their reach. We have some great art history professors who make videos about art history, and those videos reach thousands, hundreds of thousands of people. And so we want to increase the scale of great teachers, and we want to help students connect with those teachers, but we don't want to replace. Sometimes when you say future of education, it feels a little bit like we're trying to replace something existing as opposed to just kind of making it more efficient.
Great. Tell us a little bit about your presentation here on WebExpo.
Yeah. So most people who are familiar with Khan Academy are familiar with the videos, and because we believe so strongly in the future of a much more interactive and creative way of learning that uses the videos as kind of laying a base layer of knowledge for students, I wanted to talk a lot about the new stuff that we've been building, the interactive exercises, the interactive computer science stuff. So I talked a lot about that, and I talked a lot about the data that we've been gathering as a result of that. We have, I think the number now is over 700 million math problems have been done on the site, about 2.5 million a day. So that's a lot of educational data that we can learn from ranging from which math concepts should people learn in which order, or which explanations help people get past whatever hang-ups they have in their math. All that stuff can really be answered in a much better way just due to the scale of the data. So a lot of my talk was about how do you use that scale of data to make interesting decisions about a product.
Great. What was the main message, or if you want one idea to people?
Yeah, my one idea was that so a lot of the talk about how to use data was focused on running random A/B tests, or random experiments focused on A/B testing. And my one call to action was to get everybody to run one more A/B test than they are right now. Because while they don't solve everything, they're very, very helpful for figuring out what the real behavior is of users on your site. So I'd say that's my one message is run an A/B test and try your hardest to understand the data.
Perfect. You said that you are looking for a translator and programmer. Maybe this could be a chance for our viewers.
Yeah, that would be great.
To join
the whole translation effort is all community based. We have over 6,000 videos that have been dubbed by translators in languages worldwide. So Sal has made around 3,000 videos. Sal and our other contributors have made over 3,000 videos, and 6,000 have been dubbed, so that's people completely redoing the voice. Now we have, I think, way more than that in terms of subtitles that have been created for the English videos, and all of that is crowdsourced. If you go to the site right now and just click on contribute, there are links that say, I want to help subtitle videos into Czech. And then you can go do that, and we have a little ranking, and you can move Czech up the ranking and start to beat the Japanese and the French and everybody else, and get more content subtitled so that Czech students can learn in their native language. So that would be phenomenal. Yeah, go translate stuff, and then email me. I'm ben@khanacademy.org, and let us know what you did, and I'll communicate with Bilal, the leader of our translation effort. He's Bilal@khanacademy.org, and it'd be great to see this stuff really take off.
Okay, thank you very much for your time. Enjoy
Yeah, thank you for inviting me. It's been a blast. Yeah,
thank you.
I appreciate it. Yeah.